this is great. Got some mail. Oh, this is what I've been waiting on. It's from the production company that I applied to. Oh, man. Dear old biker dude. I only put my reading glasses on here. Man, I've been waiting on this for a while. Oh, this is great. We here at Beep Beep Productions Company wanted to take this opportunity to advise you that we were able to review your portfolio you sent to us recently. Oh, good. Unfortunately, after careful consideration, we regret to inform you that we won't be able to consider featuring you as a host on one of our upcoming reality shows about motorcycling. Sir, we feel we just can't afford to be associated with someone who makes such fantastical claims as being able to cook a gourmet meal and ride a motorcycle at the same time. And then there is this foolishness about never staying in motels, not eating in a single family restaurant, or for God's sakes, never traveling on an interstate highway. Sir, with all due respect, that would be impossible. In closing, while we acknowledge your incredibly striking good looks, obvious intellect, and Adonis-like physical features, we just don't feel like we would be a good match at this time. Blah, blah, blah.